The journey of Mindware, from hardware to innovation beyond. 1997, the beginnings computer hardware. In 1997, Mindware started its journey as a computer hardware company, assembling computers, peripherals, and IT solutions for businesses. The IT industry was booming, and Mindware played a crucial role in providing high-quality computer systems and support to enterprises looking to digitize their operations. 1999, expanding into software development. With businesses needing customized software solutions, Mindware ventured into software development, offering tailored applications for various industries. From inventory management to enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, the company built reliable and scalable software solutions that streamlined business operations. 2008, the enter to barcode solutions. As businesses required better tracking and automation, Mindware entered the barcode industry, offering barcode labels, ribbons, high-quality printing consumables. Barcode scanners, advanced scanning technology for fast data capture. Barcode printers, selling and servicing top brands like TSC, Zebra, Citizen, Honeywell, and Toshiba. Ferrule printers, Canon, Lita Twin. This move positioned Mindware as a leading provider of barcode technology, catering to retail, logistics, healthcare, and manufacturing sectors. 2013, establishing label manufacturing. To meet the growing demand for custom barcode labels, Mindware set up its own label manufacturing unit. This allowed the company to provide tailor-made labeling solutions for different industries, ensuring superior quality and faster delivery times. 2017, expansion into plain product labels. With advancements in printing technology, Mindware expanded its production to plain labels and specialized product labels. The company began offering custom branding solutions, allowing businesses to enhance their packaging and product identification. 2019, Annual Maintenance Contracts, AMC, for printers. Understanding the need for continuous printer maintenance, Mindware launched Annual Maintenance Contracts, AMC, for TSC, Zebra, Epson, Toshiba, Citizen, Squix color label printer, other major brands. This ensured businesses had reliable after-sales service and technical support, reducing downtime and improving operational efficiency. 2020, importing printheads for barcode printers. With increasing demand for high-quality printing, Mindware started importing printheads for leading brands like Zebra, TSC, Honeywell, and Citizen. This initiative helped businesses get genuine printheads at the best prices, ensuring long-term efficiency for their barcode printers. 2021, digital transformation with machine software. To support automation and smart manufacturing, Mindware introduced custom machine software solutions for industries requiring digital workflow management and precision control. These solutions integrated with barcode, RFID, and IoT technologies, making industrial operations more efficient. 2022, aggressive market promotion branding. As Mindware continued to grow, the company focused on promoting its brand and services through digital marketing, exhibitions, and strategic partnerships. With increased visibility, Mindware strengthened its presence as a trusted technology provider. 2023, advancing into RFID solutions. RFID technology became essential for real-time tracking and inventory management. Mindware introduced RFID tags, readers, and integrated solutions for retail security anti-theft, warehouse logistics automation, healthcare pharmaceutical tracking, manufacturing asset management. RFID technology allowed businesses to track inventory, reduce losses, and improve supply chain efficiency. 2024, the era of IoT AI integration. Building on RFID solutions, Mindware took a major leap into IoT and AI-driven automation. The company introduced smart tracking solutions powered by IoT, AI-driven data analytics for predictive maintenance, real-time location systems, RTLS, for warehouse and logistics. With AI and IoT, Mindware provided end-to-end automation solutions, helping businesses operate smarter and faster. 2025. Future expansion, software investment opportunities. Looking ahead, Mindware is now focusing on developing a new software project to further revolutionize business operations. The company is actively investing in next-gen software solutions, seeking investors for new projects, expanding into the packaging materials industry. With a strong foundation in barcode technology, IoT, and automation, Mindware is set to disrupt new markets and continue its legacy of innovation and excellence. Looking for exciting career opportunities? We are hiring for the following positions: UI/UX developer, full stack developer, AI/ML developer, RDT members, sales, front back office. Send your resume to 9910112688. Visit our office on any Saturday after 4 p.m. for a test and interview. Join our team and grow with us.